Polynomial graph. So the graph of a polynomial function of degree n has at most n minus 1 turning points. The graph of a polynomial function of degree n has at most n x-intercepts. The end behavior of the graph of a polynomial function with odd degree can be described as one end opening up and one end opening down. The end behavior of the graph of a polynomial function with even degree can be described as both ends opening up or both ends opening down. So to remember this, just think of the simplest function of odd degree, which would be a line. And we know a line with positive slope looks like this. So it's always increasing, one end's going up, one end's going down. A line with negative slope looks like this. Well, the simplest polynomial with even degree would be a quadratic function, and we know that it can either open up on both ends or down on both ends if the leading coefficient is negative. So we're going to try to extend this to other degrees. Here, does this follow the pattern set by lines or quadratics more? In other words, are we talking about something that's even degree or odd degree? Well, if you look, one end's opening up and the other one's down, and so this is going to be an odd degree. If we're answering the number of x-intercepts, well, it looks like there's just one. The number of turning points, well, it doesn't look like there's any extreme value, either local maximum or local minimum, where we're going decreasing and then increasing, or increasing and then decreasing. We don't have any of that. So the number of turning points would be 0. Whether the leading coefficient is positive or negative, well, these examples are negative, these are positive, and we can see here that it's going down and to the right, so we're going to say it's negative. The minimum possible degree, well, we kind of put all of this together to answer that. We know it has to be an odd degree. It's obviously not a degree 1 because that would make it a line. And so we can also look at the number of intercepts, 1, the number of turning points, 0, and put this together. So the minimum possible degree would be 3. It could be degree 5, it could be degree 7, it could be any odd numbered degree.